Tamu Sapa. Sapa means is to greet, yeah? Greetings. So this is our shot glass. So later, everybody gonna have a shot, especially the loser, yeah? He or she is going to start first, yeah?
Okay.
Okay, so how many of you here? 10. So we have a 10 of shot. Yeah, this is a plain soju, yeah? It's about 16.5% alcohol in here.
You don't have a flavored one?
So basically this is that we are giving here, Melody, yeah?
Okay.
So this is for the compliment to the games, yeah? Okay.
It up.
Okay, so let's see here. Stay nice, bro. And the drinks ready. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2 more glasses there. Can I have? You know, drink is a Korean style, yeah? The numbering game means any number that consists number 3, 6, 9. 3, 6, 9. You don't say the numbers. You just do the clapping. Alright? Okay. Double 3, clapping twice. Double like 3 and 6, 36, clapping twice. 39, clapping twice. Okay? So basically this is not multiple number, literal number. Okay? We're gonna put the game in a circle clockwise. When I set number 1, she will automatically follow the table with number 2 because sequentially. Okay? So we're gonna make trial like a twice, and then everybody go on the same page, and then we start doing the real game. I'm gonna pick up one of you to start the game later. Are we good?
Yeah.
Okay, let's see how we're doing good in the same page, in the same books, yeah? Alright.
But you can't say.
Okay, so to start the game here, I'm gonna say like 2. No, you just got it wrong right away, okay? 2, 3, she clap right away, okay? Okay. Okay, just continue once again, okay? 7.
8.
Oh,
You don't say the numbers, you just clap it, okay? Just make it obvious like this, everybody knows. The trick is always focus with the person before you, okay? Are we good? Okay. I'm gonna say 1, 2, 3, Gambe, and just we make it loud 3 times, okay? 1, 2, 3, Gambe! 1, 2, 3, Gambe! 1, 2, 3, Gambe! 9.
10. 12.
You got 13 now.
Oh, 13.
Yeah.
Wait.
17. 18.
1 5.
20.
21.
22.
24.
25.
27.
28.
30.
30, just clap, man, okay?